Aerial views of Notre Dame. The Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris is an iconic landmark that has captivated the hearts of many. Drone footage of the cathedral provides a unique perspective of its majesty and grandeur. The Last Judgment portal is one of the main attractions of the cathedral, with its intricate carvings and sculptures. The North Rose window, located on the northern side of the cathedral, is another remarkable feature. Its delicate glasswork is a sight to behold, and its intricate details can be appreciated from a bird's-eye view. The sanctuary of the choir and its main altar are also breathtaking. The drone footage provides a view of the altar from above, showcasing its grandiose architecture. The Gallery of Kings is another stunning feature of the cathedral. Its sculptures and paintings depict the kings of Judah, and its intricate details can be appreciated from a drone's view. The Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris is an architectural marvel that has stood the test of time. Drone footage of the cathedral provides an enchanting overview of its grandiose portals, delicate windows, and intricate sculptures.